Hi, I'm Dean Moss with Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners, and here's another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. You're considering purchasing a house that needs some work. Should you renovate the home or consider tearing the whole thing down and building brand new? In most cases, renovation is the least costly option. But which route should you take? Few considerations. First, you need to consider how extensive a renovation project might be needed. Reconfiguring a room or upgrading a kitchen or a bath rarely warrants complete teardown. However, if your plans involve major structural updates, a teardown and rebuild might be advised. It also may make sense to rebuild if you're looking to enlarge your home or add a room addition. Are the bones of your home in good shape? If the home has a solid foundation and good structure, renovation might be the way you want to go. Will you be sacrificing your home's overall charm by tearing it down and rebuilding? And here's what I mean. Many classic architectural features found in older homes, things like arched doorways, expensive hardwood trim and flooring, plaster cove molding, are typically not found in new homes built today. If you want to recreate these items, they're generally very, very expensive. If you want to preserve the old school charm of an older home, renovation is typically the way to go. Now, what are the comparative costs of each option, one versus the other? It goes without saying you need to completely do your homework and your math. Contact your builder and your architect for a detailed quote on what you want to do. Also, anything you plan, add a 30 to 50% contingency because there always are cost overruns when either you're rebuilding or you're renovating. What's the likely return on your investment? Interesting question. You have to decide how many years it will take for your home renovation and your home itself to appreciate to more than cover the cost you put out. If you plan to stay in your house for many years to come, an extensive project or extensive rebuilding could make sense. However, if you're planning only for the short or mid-term, or if you plan to upgrade, then flip the property on the short side, on the short term, you might want to make sure the numbers work for you. If you'd like to discuss further, contact our team via private message or visit our website, deanteamchicago.com.